like I said before, I am defrosting rack of lamb because it is my favorite meat and cut of meat, rack of lamb. Range free. I thought it was going to be sunny for the rest of the week, but I guess not. I guess it's going to rain. That's absolutely fine. I don't have to water my garden. But I am still going to the birds on the pond. Absolutely. Let's see. Birds on the pond. I'll also be making myself 2 sandwiches. Like what I normally do. Healthy. Duck feed. Don't mind the noise. It's just my dishwashing machine. This is a lot. That's alright. My rabbit is just sitting there being his cute blonde self. That stain on the wall is actually from this. That's what that stain is. Like, severely, it's been there forever. But look at him. He's so cute. Oh. Let me make my sandwiches. He needs to stop using his cuteness to control me. Because that's what he does. He just sit there and look cute. On a daily basis. For no reason. Alright. Lettuce. So I have out here mayonnaise, because I like mayonnaise. Just a thin layer, as usual. Romaine lettuce. Mike's, I'm brewing more tea. Romaine lettuce. Come here, baby. Look at this lovely greenery. Alright, do I have all my ingredients out? Put you right there. Do I have all my ingredients out? Yes, no. The last of this bread. I might save it for, I don't know, I might use it for something. Always find use of a lot of things. Actually. Right. Mayonnaise. Dijon. Mayonnaise. Dijon mustard. A spoon. I like to scoop it out with a spoon. That way I don't have to balance it on a butter knife. I'm running low on mayonnaise, but I have enough. I do, here it is. Yes. dollop of mayonnaise spread evenly on the bread. See that? You just get a spoon. A shiny spoon. Sparkly. And the rest, slither that thing on there like that. Because why not? Alright. And that's about it. That's about all my mayonnaise I have. But I put it on thinly, okay? Do you see that? It's spread evenly on one side of the bread and thinly, very thinly. I noticed I like most of my meat, when it comes to sandwiches, things cut thinly. I don't know, maybe because I'm thin, I don't know. Let's see here. Dijon. Duh. The thing about this top, though, is that if it comes out thicker. It doesn't come, it's like I gotta do like a, what? There we go. I can't go like, because it comes out so thick. So I'm gonna only do like that, like a crayon. You guys have no idea what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Right here. I'm not spreading out the Dijon because it's going to spread out itself. I might as well have this way. Next, romaine lettuce. Yes, of course. I do not like iceberg lettuce. I don't. Oh, I just break off the pale part and keep the dark green part for my sandwich. And I have this lovely right here. And this one. You guys see what I'm doing here? There we go. Yay. Yay. Kobe Jack. Kobe Jack's my favorite cheese. I'm sorry. Hands down. American cheese is okay. It's okay. But Kobe Jack's the best cheese. It is. I'm sorry. It's what I like. It's what I need. I've tried every cheese. Swiss cheese. Blue cheese. American cheese. American stuff. And last but not least, the meat.